Hello and welcome to our video where we take you on a journey through the fascinating world of equipment failure modes. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team, this video is just for you. We're going to uncover the big three equipment failure modes and discuss strategies to address them effectively. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, and I'll be your guide. We've based our discussion on the pioneering work of F. Stanley Nowlan and Howard F. Heap. Get ready to gain some insightful knowledge that can significantly enhance your team's strategy and success. Let's commence by dissecting the two main categories of equipment failures: those related to age and those that aren't. Age-related failures happen over time due to equipment wear and tear. Picture a truck engine that's used every day. Predictably, it's going to fail after a certain period. Conversely, non-age-related failures are more unpredictable. These failures can occur at any time and aren't due to wear and tear, but could result from operational errors or external damages. Adding a twist to our discussion, there's a peculiar category called infant mortality. This pertains to failures that are highly probable when the equipment is first started but decrease over time. It's essential to grasp that the likelihood of failure is highest at the onset and then evens out. These three failure modes result in more than just three curves, but for the sake of simplicity, we'll concentrate on understanding these key concepts. Each mode has its traits and implications on how maintenance should be approached. Now, we're going to examine the 6 classical failure modes identified by Nowlan and Heap. These modes are depicted by curves that illustrate the relationship between the probability of failure and the operating age of the equipment. Firstly, we have the bathtub curve, which is an age-related failure mode. It commences with a high likelihood of failure, levels off, and then increases again as the equipment reaches the wear-out zone. Next, the conditional wear curve with wear-out zone, also an age-related failure mode, shows a gradual increase in failure probability followed by a sharp rise in the wear-out zone. The slowly increasing conditional wear curve without wear-out zone is another age-related failure mode where the failure probability increases gradually without a distinct wear-out point. Moving to non-age-related failures, we have the low conditional wear curve, which starts with a low failure likelihood that quickly rises to a constant level. The constant conditional wear curve represents a steady probability of failure regardless of the equipment's age. Lastly, the high infant mortality curve displays a high initial failure rate that either remains constant or increases very slowly. Comprehending these curves isn't just academic, they have practical applications. Large organizations, including the U.S. Navy and commercial aviation sectors, have utilized these principles to enhance their maintenance strategies. These curves aid in predicting and managing equipment failures more efficiently, leading to better reliability and efficiency. Now think about your organization. Do the failure modes of your equipment align with any of these classic curves? Recognizing these patterns can guide you in choosing the most effective maintenance strategies and interventions. In conclusion, whether your equipment fails due to age, random factors, or early life issues, understanding these failure modes can revolutionize how you approach maintenance and reliability in your operations. Thank you for watching. We've covered the big three equipment failure modes and how understanding these can help optimize your maintenance strategies. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, knowledge is power, and with Upkeep, you're always one step ahead.